So hello and welcome to this week's video. So this week is going to be a slightly different format, as this is me running you through the PC I hope to build as I go on holiday to America near the partway through this week. So hang on and enjoy the ride. So as I just mentioned, I am going to be going to America soon, where parts are cheaper than they are in my home country. So I hope to build a PC with the specs that you see on screen. So this obviously is a Ryzen 3600, an X570 motherboard, and 8 gigs of RAM, and a 240 gig SSD. So these are obviously not the complete specs, as I hope to include the SSD that is within my current family PC, the GTX 950, and I have already bought a power supply, as that is not much cheaper. Wrong way around. So this is a semi-modular unit and is reasonably efficient and comes with non-ketchup and mustard cables. So this is obviously going to be my first foray into a custom build, which is why I've chosen the Focus G as my chassis, as I have several friends who have built in this chassis, and it is a very good case to build in, and a very nice looking case overall with its side panel window and its two included white LED fans. So as I mentioned, I'm going to America, so this means there will not be any sort of video uploads during that time unless I manage to bank content in the next couple of days. So don't expect any tech plugged ins, because I'm not going to be running home from where I am just to make videos for you, unfortunately. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll follow on to see the follow-up videos involving the parts themselves when they arrive.